Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about one of the most important, yet often overlooked organs in the human body, the spleen. The spleen is a small organ located in the upper left quadrant of the abdomen, just under the ribcage. It's part of the lymphatic system and plays a vital role in maintaining overall health and immune function. One of the main functions of the spleen is to filter the blood. It removes old and damaged red blood cells, as well as other foreign particles, such as bacteria and viruses. This process helps to prevent infection and maintain a healthy blood supply. In addition to filtering the blood, the spleen also helps to produce white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infection and disease. It is a key player in the body's immune response and helps to mount a defense against invading pathogens. Another important function of the spleen is its role in the production and destruction of red blood cells. It stores a reserve of healthy red blood cells and releases them into circulation as needed. In cases of severe blood loss, the spleen can also release a large number of red blood cells to help replenish the body's supply. While not essential for life, the spleen is an important part of the body's defense against infection and disease. Individuals who have had their spleen removed, a procedure known as a splenectomy, are at increased risk for certain infections and may require special vaccinations and medical attention. So, how can you keep your spleen healthy? Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and practicing good hygiene can all help to support a healthy immune system and keep your spleen functioning properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos about the human body.